What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In today's basic hip hop dance combo series episode, we're going to be adding our fourth A count to our combination. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today. Hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this episode we will be using episodes 1, 3, and 5. So if you haven't checked those out yet, be sure to check those out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's start off this episode with the last few A counts of our third A count. So from here we're going tap, twist, left, right, left. Now from here, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my feet to drive into the ground twice. Okay, so I'm going to go down, down. Now, to make this a little bit heavier, I'm gonna add is just little heel twist on each one. So think all your energy is going in your heel, and I'm really leaning towards that right leg going into the ground, almost like I'm digging myself into the ground. So I'm going right, right. Okay, so I really want to pick up my feet just because this is gonna be a little bit slower counts, but I want to think dig, dig. Okay, so try that. So 6, 7, 8, and dig, dig. Good. So from here, all I'm gonna do is reset and do the same thing on my left. Again, I'm all about repeating stuff, especially as beginners, so make sure you get it on both sides. So again, I'm really just stepping to my left, but to add a little bit more heaviness and groundedness, all I'm gonna do is really dig my heels in the ground and twist back out. So 6, 7, 8, I'm going dig and dig. So for these ones, I wanna take my time. These are gonna be whole counts, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from here, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left. So kind of building off of that. Same thing to the side, but this one I'm gonna come a little bit forward. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And all I'm really doing is I'm traveling diagonally versus going side to side. So let's try that. So 6, 7, 8. Going right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. Let's try that one time. Here goes. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, right leg. I'm going right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. One more time. Here we go. So 5, 6, right leg heavy and dig. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's take this from the third A count and add it together with that new combination. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going right, back, to the side, left, right, to the side. New A count. Dig, 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 dig. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Very good. Okay, so let's take it back to the second A count. And again, if that was confusing, practice going third to fourth. And then once you get that down, come back to the second A count. Here goes. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going down, up, in, out, down, in. New A count. Tap, back, to the side, tap, back. New A count. And right, right, and left, left, and to the front, to the front. Very good. Okay, let's take it from the top. And again, if that was confusing, just start going back piece by piece through your A counts. From the top, here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going walk, 2, 3, 4, jump, 5, 6, second, 8, count, down, up, out, down, in, out, new A count, tap, back, right, left, right, tap, back, new A count, and dig, dig, 3, 4, to the front, to the front. All right, so let's take it from the top again. I'll face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, right leg up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. New 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, third 8 count. 5, 6, fourth 8 count, and 1, 2, 3, 4, to the front, to the front. All right, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this episode. Again, we're really digging into the earth with our movement here. So I really want you to almost feel like you're spreading the dirt with your heels as you're stepping into the ground and really leaning towards that leg. Okay, second thing is, as you're combining your A counts, again, start with the third A count, combine it with the fourth. Whether you have that down, second, combine it with everything, then go from the very top, right? We're always trying to build on top of each other versus feeling overwhelmed and thinking like, oh dang, I have to do 4 A counts, right? So think of it as an A count at a time, master them, piece them together, and then you'll be fine. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video and make sure you tag at Darren R. Wong in it. I'll be sure to give you props, give you some shout outs, and good things like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss out on a video. And go ahead and comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.